Hi, this is Daniel from YouCanBookMe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zapier with YouCanBookMe. First, you're going to need your Zapier API key. You can find it by going into integrations in your account and look for Zapier. There it is, Zapier. If you haven't connected it yet, click on connect. This should give you a Zapier API key that you can use and you can copy it. Then go to Zapier, click on apps, and look for YouCanBookMe. YouCanBookMe. Click on connect, and this screen will give you a field where you can paste your Zapier API key. Paste it and then click on continue to You Can Book Me. This will be the first step. Now you're going to be connected to Zapier. Then you can use this connection to create your new Zaps. So let's start with one. Let's create a Zap to send all booking notifications to a spreadsheet. So click on Zaps and click on create Zap. First, we're going to have to select a trigger. So for the trigger, we're going to use You Can Book Me. Click on trigger and then select You Can Book Me. This is the first setup steps. So we're going to see and confirm that your account is listed here, that the application is indeed You Can Book Me, and then you can select the trigger event. For this one, you only have one option. It's going to be booking notifications. Select it and then click continue. The next step is going to be the setup for the configuration. So click on subscription level. This is going to be two options, account and booking page. You can select a trigger that's going to be for the whole account, or you can just have it for just one or multiple booking pages at the same time. So I'm going to create one for the booking page. Then these steps is where you are able to select from all the booking pages that you own. So the resource IDs is going to be the list of all your booking pages. So I'm going to select one of my booking pages. These are all my booking pages. Just select one. And then the last step is going to be what type of notifications you want to send. So you're going to see all booking notifications, created bookings, rescheduled bookings, canceled bookings, and you have some other notifications that you can select. I'm going to create one for bookings created. So I'm going to select this one and click continue. This is going to be the step where you can test the trigger. So click on test trigger, and this will give you a preview of what the data is going to look like. Click on any of the records, and this is the data that's going to be captured in Zapier. So this is just an example, it's not actual data. So click on it and then hit continue with selected record. That's it. That's the first part. Now we're going to select the Google Sheet that we were going to use to send all the booking information. Click on Google Sheets. And then in here, we're going to have to set up the next step. Make sure that your account is already listed and choose an action event. I already have a spreadsheet, so I'm going to use a spreadsheet to create a spreadsheet row. It's here, create spreadsheet row. It creates a new row in a specific spreadsheet. So click on it and I'm going to hit continue. In this step, you're going to have to select your drive, the spreadsheet, and a specific worksheet that you're going to use. Click on my Google Drive, then look for the spreadsheet that you're going to use. I already have one created. Then the next step is going to be select the worksheet. So let's say worksheet one. There. This worksheet has two fields, name and email. So I'm going to also select which data I want to send into these two fields in the spreadsheet. Click on this plus sign, and it's going to be all the information available from your bookings. For the name, I'm going to select the full name, F name. That's the shorthand code we use. And for the email, I'm also do the same and select email here. Then you're able to click continue. Now this is the test. You can skip the test or you can try it. But the recommendation would be to skip it, and then you can create a mock-up booking. Then, because this is gonna look like the email field is gonna be populated with your the name in the booking, and the email will also use the same. So you can skip the test, and that's gonna be it. You can publish your SAP now. I hope this video is helpful and helps you connect Zapier with other multiple applications within Zapier.